If you are a newbie on the internet and you would like to sell your ebooks online in a very professional manner, in a way that will attract lots of buyers, then this video is for you. One of the things I'm going to talk about today that will help you to increase your sales is something that is very easy to do, although you might have seen other people doing it, but it looks as if it's difficult. Okay, so pay special attention because I'm going to be guiding you step by step. So what I'm going to show you how to create is what we call a sales page. Okay, and at the end of this video, I'm going to show you 1 or 2 tips you need to apply if you want to create a better sales page. Okay, so stay with me. Let's start. Okay, so now we're heading over to ChatGPT to get a prompt that we can use to create our sales page. Okay, mind you, sales page helps you to sell your products and services. So let's head over to ChatGPT. So I'm heading over to ChatGPT. So let me quickly type a kind of a description. Now, mind you, the app we're going to use to create a sales page needs a detailed prompt to generate a sales page for you. But now I'm going to make it easier for you. You don't need to be a professional in creating a sales page or knowing all the frameworks or structure. So I'm going to tell you how you are going to ask ChatGPT to generate a sales page prompt for you. Okay, so watch me do this now. So here's what I told ChatGPT: generate a well-detailed sales page prompt that I can use in an AI agent to generate a sales page for my product. Mind you, AI agent is also AI tool. Okay, to generate a sales page for my product. So that is what you are going to type. Take notes again. So there you are going to type exactly. You're going to type the same message you are seeing your. Now after that message, you then write my digital product is, so you specify your digital product. So in this case, I'm saying is an ebook titled How to Win Big in Ads. Now, I also indicated my target audience, people who have spent money but no results. In your own target audience, you can simply say people who have wasted money, or you can say people who are finding it difficult to run ads, or businesses who want to increase their sales. Just make sure you specify your audience, just one, don't make it complicated. People, once you understand the basic structure of a sales page, you can then go ahead and modify it the way you want to modify it, of which I'm going to show you if you watch to the end of this video. So clearly pay attention. Okay, so after you have typed this, just press the send button and let's see what ChatGPT is going to generate for us. So I've already generated the sales page prompt. Now you don't need to bother the grammar that is there, you don't need to bother about the structure of it. Just go ahead and create the sales page. I promise you, once you create this sales page, you can then go back and edit whatever you want to edit. Now always remember this: done is better than not done. Okay, get something done. When you have created your sales page and it's not okay, you can then focus on improving it. But if you don't create your sales page now, you're just learning the structure, you're going to spend the rest of the year there. In fact, the next 10 years you may not create your sales page because you are busy trying to understand the structure. So simply copy the prompt. So I'm going to copy it. Okay, this is what I'm going to copy. This is what I'm going to copy here. So I'm going to copy it. I've copied it. Then I'll go to an app that allows me to create my sales page in a professional manner. Okay, so that is the next step. Take note, the first thing I told you was what a sales page is and what it can do for you. The next stage was we went to ChatGPT to get a well-detailed prompt. Now I've copied the prompt. I want to move to another AI tool that will help us to generate the sales page in a professional way for us. I could have used ChatGPT, but I want to show you how to use another tool. It's very, very important you have lots of options. Okay, so let's move to the next step now. We are moving to number 3 step now. which is the app we are going to use to create our landing pages. Like I've said, you need to have options in creating your sales page. If you don't have many AI tools you can use to create a particular document, you're just going to be in trouble because one of them may fail. Okay, so let's head to loveable.dev and see how we can create our sales page. So this is the dashboard of loveable.dev. So let's see how we can use it to create a sales page. So let me paste my prompt in this box. That is this box here. I want to paste my prompt. So this is my prompt. Let me send it and see what it's going to generate for us. Okay, I'm going to come down here. So I want to display the sales page. I'm going to come to these three dots here. When I get there, I'm going to tap on this and select my preview, as you can see here. So that's what I'm going to select. So I've selected it. Let's wait for our sales page to be loaded. Wow, as you can see now, can you see how beautifully designed it is? Limited time offer, 70% off. Stop burning money on ads that don't work. You can see how neatly designed the sales page is. You can see how neatly designed. From the top you can see the CTA button. Can you see this is what we call a professional sales page. We are able to create this without knowing anything concerning how to structure a sales page, how to understand the framework behind it, how to come up with social proof. As you can see here, we don't need to study any other thing. We just have to enter a particular prompt and all this is generated for us. Now can you see all this? Everything is well designed. Look at all these colorful buttons. If you were to design this with a WordPress builder or with a funnel builder, it's going to take your time, okay? And you might even spend excess money when you employ a professional. But as you can see, this is a neatly designed sales page, okay? So this is how you can easily design a sales page for your business. Everything is going to be listed out for you. You don't need to bother about what you need to add there. It will be neatly added for you. Now suppose you want to add some things here, or you want to customize it in the way you want it, like I promised in the at the beginning of the video. Now for you to easily create a sales page that meets your taste, you can simply say, okay, let's go back to chat GPT. Okay, so let's go back to chat GPT and see the prompts that we actually sent to chat GPT to generate for us. Okay, so this was the prompt we actually sent to chat GPT for us to generate a detailed prompt. So after where you have target audience, you can then decide to list pain points. Okay, what are those pain points? What are those things that are stressing your customers that you are willing to solve? You can also ask it to include social proof. You are going to paste all the messages you have been receiving from your clients or you have been receiving from your customer. You can also add FAQ you want to include there. Maybe you have your own particular FAQ included there. You have a particular price for the product included there. You have all the particular bonuses you have included after the target audience. So when you include it in the way you want it to be, a chat GPT is going to generate a well-detailed prompt including those special messages you added into the prompts. Okay, so that is how you customize your own prompts. Add all those things after this target audience. The reason why I didn't want to do that at the beginning of the video is just to make sure you understand how to create a sales page straight away. I don't need to make it too complicated. It's only when you are practicing yours you can then be playing around with other things you can add. Okay, so I believe you have gotten value for this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Okay, also share this to your friends so that they can learn how to create a sales page. Okay, hit the likes button so that others around you will be able to find this video and use it to improve their business and to improve their personal life. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you next time when I bring you new tricks on how you can use AI tools to improve your business and personal life. Till then, thanks.